Hi, good morning. My name is Craig Nash, class of 1984, Monmouth College. Born and raised Chicago, Illinois, living back in Chicago. I work for Chicago Public Schools in the Department of College and Career Preparation, and it's the GEAR Up program. GEAR Up stands for Gaining Early Awareness and Readiness for Undergraduate Programs. It was different. My high school was 5,000, so to hit a campus, and it was fewer than 600 students, and all the kind of activities, it seemed like small groups and a family type atmosphere. Fell in love with it right away. And even though there were people like, you sure you can get used to something like this? It's in the middle of nowhere, it's cornfields and all that kind of stuff. Weird smells coming from the hog place. And I was like, you know what? It feels like home to me. And I was looking for something a little bit quieter than the city of Chicago. You would be surprised at a small school, the different opportunities you would have, from student government and leading organizations, playing on sports teams, rappelling off the science building as part of ROTC. One of the greatest experiences, I got to work on Mayor Washington's campaign, because we had urban studies. So my off-campus experience during my junior year was to leave. And you say, well, why did you go back home to Chicago? Well, there were some personal reasons, but I got a chance to see Chicago. I thought, okay, this is gonna be a cakewalk. I know Chicago. I didn't know Chicago. I really didn't know Chicago. So now, instead of living in the Cabrini Green area, I lived on the south side in Hyde Park. Lou Palmer, Dr. Conrad Worrell, Vernon Jarrett, these were our teachers. And then you had to pick a campaign to work on. So it was this major campaign. First African-American mayor of the city of Chicago, Mayor Washington. I worked on that campaign. We visited all the sites. We saw all the plans for Chicago. So to have an enriching experience like that, meet other students from around the Midwest, only Monmouth could have provided that type of opportunity for me. I thank God for the opportunity in my professional life with working with young people, motivating them to do better and achieve in their lives. My students saw me at 400 and something pounds. They know the story. They were 6th and 7th graders when I started to work with them. Now they're 11th and 10th graders. They said, Mr. Nash, how did you do it? Coach Nash, how did you do it? I said, I did what I've always told you guys to do. If you believe in something, you're willing to work for it, you will succeed. But as you believe now, you got to find the resources and the tools. You got to find the people that will support you. And when they tell you or they give you information, you got to use it. And it's all about that. And then that goes right back to my experiences here. I had a lot of great opportunities, got a lot of great information, a lot of training from some awesome professors, awesome teachers, great relationships with friends, and it's putting that into practice. And it's tapping everything that's around you, because 9 times out of 10, somewhere in your life, you've already got what you need.